There is a new music producer on the block. It's Google Gemini. You can now create music in Gemini. Now there is a 30-second time limit. I don't know if this is for free users or premium users. I'm not sure if there's a difference in limit, but right now it's 30 seconds. Now some of the key features that I pulled out was prompting, of course. You can type in lyrics, it'll generate instrumentals and an actual singer around that to perform that for you. You can upload video and picture, which is quite interesting, and it will generate a song for you. Again, limitation to 30 seconds. So I tested it, and here are the three different songs or demos that I generated with it. Let me know what you would think of them.
Got the red cap sitting low, you already know the logo. Black shades on my eyes, I'm a certified cool cat dolo. Ice on my neck with the $sign chain, yeah, the drip is real. Got 9 lives to make a milli, that's the catnip appeal. Meow is the motto, living life in the fast lane, full throttle. Paws on the wheel of the foreign whip, sipping out the fancy bottle. Top of the food chain, feeling no pain. I'm the king of the scene, stacking up the green, know exactly what I mean. Yeah, they call me the CEO. Meow!
Now, I mean, it's clean. It's what I expect from AI. It's real clean. There's no depth in it. It's just too clean, The lyrics, cheesy. But again, it's AI. Pop.
더 이상 망설이지 마. 내 안의 빛을 밝혀봐. 날 봐봐. So fantastic. 온 세상이 나의 무대.
Now country, this isn't my genre.
Porch swing creaks a gentle tune beneath the hazy afternoon. Got some wrinkles round your eyes like maps from passing years and skies. The world outside just rushes on, but right here's where we all belong. Don't need for much, it's plain to see you're still the best part of me.
I do think it's kind of interesting that you can drag a picture in there and it can give you, some ideas to create off of. Would this be a tool that I use? No. Main reason is because I grew up learning how to do this stuff on my own, so it's not something that I need. Do I think it's kind of cool? Yes, I do. But again, it's not stopping you from dragging someone else's work in there and having it do stuff. Like, yeah, they got a little prompt that says, do you promise that this is all your, and you can just bypass that. There's no way to really stop anything, and that's my problem with a lot of this AI stuff. It's cool, but I just feel like we're constantly hyping up what can be done and not enough how are we protecting people. How are we protecting creatives? That's not being highlighted enough. But let me know what you think.